Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the TYLT Pebble. It's a wireless 5-watt portable battery pack that also has a USB port that provides 2.1 amps of power from the USB port. Now it does 5 watts with the wireless charging. It actually feels like a pebble, has like a non-slip coating on it. So that's cool. So here's a little flap for information. It does iPhone and Android. Again, it's 4,000 milliamps, has a USB-A port for fast charging. When you buy one of these, they plant a tree, so that's cool. So some more information here. You can charge it. It takes about 5 hours to charge it. Input is 1 amp, and again, as I said, output is 2.1 amps. So it's good to charge a tablet at full speed. And it's made for QI wireless charging devices. Another look inside. This is the TYLT Pebble. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.